Hello, I'm Tori Vanderdonk from Aegis Business Services. We're an accounting and bookkeeping firm on the outskirts of Brisbane. It's time for an update on the changes to the JobKeeper program after press releases this week from Scotty from Marketing and Josh from Finance, or as you might know them, Scott Morrison and Josh Frydenberg. 2.5 weeks ago, on the 21st of July, the government announced it is extending the JobKeeper payment until the 28th of March next year, and it is targeting support to those businesses and not-for-profits which continue to be significantly impacted by the coronavirus. From the 28th of September this year, eligibility for the JobKeeper payment will be based on actual turnover in the relevant periods, and the payment will be stepped down and paid at 2 rates. Just when we thought we understood it all, following the escalating coronavirus situation in Victoria, a couple of days ago, late evening, of course, on the 7th of August, further changes were announced. 1, to adjust the reference date for employee eligibility, and 2, to make it easier for organisations to qualify for the JobKeeper payment extension, or JobKeeper 2.0 as we're calling it. So from the 28th of September. Bearing in mind that things could change again, as they did for the original JobKeeper, as it currently stands today, our understanding is as follows. From this current JobKeeper fortnight, so that's fortnight 10, the date for assessing if employees are eligible has moved from the 1st of March to the 1st of July. Now we think that this means that newly hired part-time and full-time employees, plus casuals hired between the 1st of March and the 1st of July last year, might now be eligible for JobKeeper payment reimbursement. The fact sheets have not yet been updated for this information, so all we're doing is going off what we have seen this week. These dates also become the employee's reference date to determine whether they work more or less than 20 hours when looking at the reimbursement rate for JobKeeper 2.0. To access JobKeeper 2.0, businesses will need to reassess eligibility. And as per the update from Scotty and Josh on Thursday, this will now be turnover in the September quarter this year compared to the September quarter last year to be eligible for the period from the 28th of September to the 3rd of January. And then the December quarter this year compared to this December quarter last year to be eligible from the 4th of January to the 28th of March. This is how we understand the simple tests today. The alternative tests have not yet been advised. The payment rate for the reimbursement to employers will also change from the $1,500 to all employees. For the period the 28th of September to the 3rd of January, the reimbursement rate will be $1,200 per fortnight for those working on average more than 20 hours in the 4-week period prior to their reference date, and $750 per fortnight for those with less than 20 hours. From the 4th of January to the 28th of March, this reimbursement will drop to $1,000 and $650 respectively. Remember that this could change at any moment, usually 9:30 on a Friday night. So watch for more updates from Scotty from Marketing and Josh from Finance, as well as from us, your trusted professional, Aegis Business Services, knowledge, support, guidance.